A great white hornbills like Vicky here can be found in Asia. When a female hornbill wants to nest, what they will do is look for holes or cavities in trees. A little right up there in the nest box, that's very similar to what we do the birds right here in the Jurong bird park. But let's have Vicky check the nest box out. Is up this way, Vicky? The nest box is over there. Vicky, it's to the right. Hop along. Very good, very good. Now, what she's doing now is that Vicky's inspecting the interior of the nest box. Only if she likes it, then she will hop right in. There she goes. And once inside, what the female will do is to seal herself up using different materials like soil, regurgitated food, and even her own droppings. Oh, Vicky, if you like the nest box, you can set it up now. Do you like it? Okay. Wait, Vicky, I still inside. There it is. Now, everybody keep your eyes right up there. So let's welcome Sunny. Jurong bird park's animal icon. Sunny is another great white hornbill. So when the female is inside, the male will have the responsibility of looking for food to feed the mother and the chick. But this usually goes on for about 3 to 4 months until they are ready to be in the nest. Now, did you know right here in Singapore, we have our very own local species of hornbills, the Oriental pied hornbill. And Jurong Bird Park have been very successful in breeding these particular species and releasing them back into the wild. And they were right here in the Jurong Bird Park. So sometimes while walking around the park, you can keep your eyes up. You might be able to spot some free-flying wild Oriental pied hornbills. Alright, in a very short while, Sunny will be making his way down. So you check out for his huge wingspan. Are you ready? This way. Here he comes, everyone. Sunny, you missed me. One more time, this way. And here we go. Alright, now right here in the Jurong Bird Park, we have the largest collection of hornbill species. So please do check them out at the Hornbill and Toucan exhibit. One of the most beautiful features of this majestic bird is that they have beautiful long eyelashes. But they're the only birds in the world to have such a feature. Alright, Sunny, time for you to head back all the way back to Shine. There we go, our hornbills, everyone. And just as you have witnessed Sunny collecting fruits for the young is a very huge responsibility of the birds. So for this morning, we are going to have a little competition to see which parrots are quicker at gathering fruits. Okay, so people from this side all the way here who I'll be supporting, this is Corky. Alright, now for the rest of you, you will be supporting Barry. So supporters, all I want you to do is clap your hands and stomp your feet, make some noise. Alright, very good. Now let's to the table. Okay, what the birds have to do is to bring them 4 fruits each, all the way back home into this hollow tree trunk right over here. Alright, so supporters are ready, birds are ready, let's go! And then we have a winner! Well done, Barry, and Barry supporters! Cocky, what was that? It's okay, Cocky. Just warming up. One more again. Okay, shall we give Cocky a second chance? Alright, let's give Cocky a second chance. Everyone deserves second chances. Alright, so same thing, 4 fruits each. Come on, supporters, you have to make more noise. There we go, round of applause for Cocky now. Birds are ready, let's take it away. The first time the winner is Cocky. Well done. And looks like we have a draw this morning. So can we give it up for Cocky and Barry, our fruit collecting McCoys. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, our grand finale represents lots of them on stage, so let's get started. First up from Africa, let's welcome our great white pelicans. Now next up from Eastern Europe, we have our Dalmatian pelicans. Over here, guys. Now back to Africa, so let's get sexy long necks to models on the wall. Our great Flamingo. With our powerful high flyers of South America from up there and there, our Jurong. Our grand finale. Can we hear the superstars of high fly show? Big round of applause, everyone. And with that, we actually come to the end of the High Fly Show. I hope you have all enjoyed it as much as I did. Like I mentioned, just remain seated as my friendly colleagues have been exiting. Obviously, so please listen to their instructions. Now, before you leave, just remember to take a look around you and take all of the belongings with you. Last but not least, on behalf of our sponsors, the Singapore Press and Links Foundation, continue to have a wonderful day right here in the top, and I'll see you all around. Thank you and bye-bye.